Hello everybody and welcome to your Finance Helper. We will today be focusing on the present value of a stream of cash flows. There are two different special cases. One is where we have a perpetuity, another where we have an annuity. And we're going to focus on perpetuity today. So a perpetuity is a stream of equal cash flows that occur at regular intervals and last forever. This is very similar to our normal present value formula for a stream of cash flows. However, there are a few differences. One difference is that with a perpetuity, the payment or the cash flow that you receive simply continues infinitely. It never ends. And there's also the first payment is arriving at the end of the first period, which is the reason why our C subscript 0 is equal to 0. So the present value formula for a perpetuity is our cash flow divided by our interest rate. Just to give you a short example, imagine that you invest $100 and the interest rate is 5%. This gives you each period $5 in that you receive. But if you withdraw the money every time, then you'll get additional $5 next period and so forth and so forth. So you will continuously get $5. An example, this could be a council bond, which is a specific type of a British government bond where this happens. An example of this using a demonstration problem could be that you want to endow a graduation party. You budget $30,000 per year for the party. If the university earns 8% per year on its investments, and the first party is in 1 year's time, how much do you need to donate? So try to calculate this yourself. Try using the formula that I just gave you and see how it works out for you. So the solution is that this is a standard perpetuity of $30,000 per year. We use the present value formula for perpetuity, which was our cash flow divided by the interest rate. So $30,000 divided by 0.08 is equal to $375,000. So if you today invest $375,000 and the university earns an 8% per year on its investments, then they will continuously forever be able to withdraw $30,000 for a graduation party. However, what if the graduation party was in 2 years? What if it wasn't in the first year, but you had to wait 1 period? Would this change the result? So please try and look at this. This is actually very important because there would most likely be a finance question about this in your exam. So the answer is actually yes. And the reason why is that currently we do have the present value, which was $375,000. And if we discount this by 1 year, we will find out what it would be worth if the first graduation party was in 2 years and it could continuously be able to use $30,000 every year forever. So we simply just discount the $375,000 by 8%. This gives us a value of $347,222. So if the first graduation party was in 2 years and you would be able to use $30,000 every year forever, then if you invest $347,222 today with an return of 8% on your investments, that would continue forever. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching your Finance Helper. The next video we will be focusing on an annuity, so please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.